today, a real classic, peppercorn sauce. So guys, let's do it. The first step for this perfect steak recipe, we need a pestle and mortar. And the star of the show, we want some black peppercorns. Chuck a handful of the peppercorns into the pestle and mortar, and you want to grind these up fairly coarsely. We do not want peppery dust at the end. So grind them up, chuck your peppercorns out into a bowl, and now we're ready to make our peppercorn sauce. So pop a high-walled frying pan or a saucepan onto the heat, turn the heat between low and medium, and chuck in your peppercorns. And the first important step, we want to toast off the peppercorns until the aroma fills the kitchen. This will take about 20 to 30 seconds, and once you start getting that lovely toasted peppery aroma, Dijon mustard. Chuck in a good teaspoon or two of the mustard, and then give that a quick stir, and then we want some good quality brandy. Chuck in a good splash of your brandy, and be sure to burn off the alcohol and reduce the brandy down for a couple of ticks before the next ingredient, which is some Worcestershire sauce. So shake up your Worcestershire sauce, add a good splash into the pan, and at this point just add a tiny little pinch of salt. Next up, we want some nice rich beef stock. So add a good splash of your beef stock, and then you want to give everything a really good mixing up and bring everything up to a good simmer. Then we're going to want some double cream. So slowly incorporate the cream. You can make this sauce as creamy as you want. The lighter, the more gentle. The darker, the more punchy and peppery. So keep stirring, add your cream, and when you're happy, pour it out into a serving bowl, and there you have a real classic peppercorn sauce. Delicious. And all that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.